Hello students, we are continuing with our February 2025 paper 1 on inverse functions. We are now at 2.4.3, which says determine the equation of f inverse of x in the form y equals to. We say again, what are we given? We are given, now we're looking at f's, right? We are given f of x, which is equals to x plus 8 over 3. We are to find the equation of f inverse. Let's do that. Number 1, you don't have to write this in the exam. The steps like this. Number 1, change the f to y. So it's y equals to x plus 8 over 3. Then what do we do in step 2? Swap x and y. Good. I know you are going with me. You guys are superstars. Swap x and y. Let's do that. So I have x equals to y plus 8 over 3. Step 3 is make y the subject of the formula. Always, that no change. Beautiful stuff. All right. Okay, let's do that. So we have now, we have it like this. We are going to have make y the subject. How do I get the y alone? I'm going to have to cross multiply. So I'm going to have x equals to y plus 8 over 3. I'm going to make this over 1. Then I'm going to cross multiply. So it's 3x equals to 1 times this, y plus 8. Meaning y equals to 3x minus 8. The question asks it in this form, y equals to 3x minus 8. So, but I'm going to write it in the form f inverse so that I can identify it for future use. So it's 3x minus 8. Awesome stuff. Going forward, 2.4.3. Excuse me, 2.4.4, right? 2.4.4. Prove this. I'm gonna do this. I'm going to leave 2.4.4 and 2.5.5 and do them later because I want to continue with the sequence of this whole thing to get you guys to understand better. I'm gonna skip this 2 for the next video. Now 2.4.6. says determine the range of f of x. So we are looking to find the range of f of x. What are we given though? Let's see. Oh, we're looking for the range of f of x. So the inverse is not, we are looking for the range of f of x. Okay, let's look at that. We are given the domain of f of x. So here, there's no inverse involved, right? So what are we given? We are given the domain of f of x, which is x between -2 and 7. Not included. X element of all real numbers. All right. Okay. So what are we going to do here? We are going to use the domain of f of x to find the range by substituting the domain into the equation. So the equation is f equals to x plus 8 over 3. Am I correct? Yes, I am. So this is f of x. I am correct. I always check because I make a lot of mistakes. God help me. All right. So what are we going to do? We are going to look for f at -2. We are saying when x is -2, what is y? All right. So we are going to have -2 plus 8 over 3. This is 6 over 3, which gives you 2. All right. Now let's go the other side. Now we want to know what is y when x is 7. So we're looking for f of 7. All right, let's go. 7 plus 8 over 3 is 15 over 3, which gives us 5. All right. So, meaning that the range is from 2 to 5. From the smaller one to the bigger one. So 2 to 5. So I'm going to have the range of f of x as y is from 2 less or equals to x. It's 2, not -2. To 7. You see, I said yx. Change it now here. Y y element of all real numbers. Or you can write it as, with interval notation, as y is an element of 2 included and 5 not included, where y is an element of all real numbers. Awesome. We are going on. Now we are going, let's look at the next question. I have to bring the question down, it's too far now. Yeah, here's the question.